Hello dear student, welcome to Department of Chemistry. In the previous lecture we studied the crown ether. In today's lecture we study the cryptands, its nomenclature and application. So let us begin with it. Hello dear student, last time we studied the crown ether. In crown ether we studied the different types of crowns and their applications. Now in today's lecture we study the cryptands. Cryptands are the macrocyclic ligand which is having the nitrogen atom in addition to carbon and oxygen atoms. Here we are considering the example of cryptand is cryptand 222. See here the structure of cryptand. The nitrogen atom in addition to carbon and oxygen. Here is the nitrogen atom and oxygen atom is separated by the methylene group. Okay, every structure there is separation of the methylene group between the two atoms of nitrogen and oxygen. So see here the carbon, oxygen and nitrogen, two methylene carbon atom are separated. The number 222 represent, here is the number 222 which represent that three layer. First layer, second layer and third layer. Number of oxygen atom in each layer. So the first two number is indicate that two oxygen atom. Here is first and second. Okay. In second layer there is also again two oxygen atom, and in third layer there is also two oxygen atom. Therefore we give the nomenclature for the cryptand is cryptand 222. Generally the cryptand is more selective than the crown ether in the complex formation. Okay, so let us study the next example of the cryptands. So here is the second example of the cryptand. So how the nomenclature is considered here? First of all we have to write cryptand. Okay, cryptand means cavity which is generated in this particular portion and the metal atom get attached to it. Okay, so what is the nomenclature of this particular cryptand? In the first, this is first layer, second layer and third layer. In the first layer there is two oxygen atom, therefore we write 2. In the second layer again there is two oxygen atom, again we write 2. But in third layer there is 1, 2 and 3 oxygen atom, and therefore we are write the number 3. So this is the structure of cryptand 2 to 3. I hope you clear the concept of nomenclature of the cryptand. See here we are compare the crown and cryptand. So 12 crown 4 is suitable for lithium ion and crypt 211 is suitable for lithium ion. As for 15 crown 5 for sodium atom, crypt 221 for again sodium atom, 18 crown 6 for potassium, crypt 222 for the potassium, and 21 crown 7 is for rubidium and crypt 322 is for again rubidium. Here is the selectivity is more for cryptand. Okay, as compared to that of crown ether. It is having less selectivity. Okay, so student, in today's lecture we study the cryptands and definition of cryptand, their applications and nomenclature of cryptand. The homework for you is you have to draw all the structure of the cryptands. Okay, thank you.